All right, I'm going to cut some stuff, show you how these things work. Another solid quality product from Fiskars, the bypass pruning shears. Measuring in at right about there. These things are great in the summertime or the wintertime. I'm using them right now to clear up stuff around the yard. They're great for clearing out brush. They cut through all the small stuff, the medium stuff like butter. You get into the larger stuff, a little bit harder to cut down on it. Start at the end of this tree branch. There's that one. We're getting bigger. Oh yeah. Down to here. Cutting through like butter. Look at this. This is a bigger piece. Like nothing. What's great about these things is they're made out of just like a hardened steel, super quality, super durable feeling product. Have a nice slider on the side right here, so you can use them one-handed. The handles are rubber on here, and more like molded rubber, and have a nice like little textured feel on them to help you with your grip. Very nice product, very sturdy. These things are just perfect for clearing away brush and stuff left over. It's like there's nothing there. Look at that big piece, look at that. Fiskars Pruning Shears. These things work great.